Before you say anything today, just pause for a second. Have you ever tried to speak English and suddenly your mind goes blank? Do you understand everything, but when it's your turn to speak, nothing comes out? And you start thinking, what if I say something wrong? What if people judge me? And slowly, you choose silence again. If you don't fix this now, this will keep happening again and again and again. But today, we change that. Hey, I'm Gwen. Welcome to Fluent Core English. Today is not just another video. This is day 1 of your speaking journey. In this video, you will not just watch, you will speak. Even if you feel nervous, even if your English is not perfect, you will still speak. And listen carefully. If you don't speak with me right now, nothing will change. So don't wait. Open your mouth and speak. Good. Let's begin. Today is day 1 of our 5-day speaking challenge. Not for perfection, but for confidence. And let me tell you something honestly. Most people watch videos, but never speak. That's why they don't improve. You are not like them, because you are speaking with me right now. For the next few minutes, we practice together. No pressure, no competition, just real speaking. But one thing, do not compare yourself to anyone. Some people speak fast. Some people speak slowly. Some feel confident. Some feel scared. And if you feel scared sometimes, that's okay. That's normal. Fluency is not a race. It's a habit. And this challenge is not about becoming perfect. It's about showing up. Because 5 minutes every day is more powerful than 1 hour once a week. And if you stay with me till the end, you will feel your voice changing. Today, we start with the most important thing. Not grammar, not vocabulary. Confidence. Because when confidence grows, speaking becomes easier. Now listen carefully. Don't just watch. Speak with me. Not in your head. Out loud. Yes, even if it feels strange. Even if you feel shy. Because just watching will never improve your speaking. You must use your voice. Think of this like your speaking gym. You listen, then you speak. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Let's begin. Say it with me. I am ready to improve my English. I am ready, even if I feel nervous. Again, speak. I am ready to improve my English. One more time, stronger. I am ready to improve my English. Don't stay silent. This is your moment. Next, I speak, even if I feel nervous. I feel scared, but I still speak. Again, I speak, even if I feel nervous. One more time, slower. I speak, even if I feel nervous. Good. Keep going. Next. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Even if I make a mistake, I continue. Again. I am not afraid of making mistakes. One more time. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Remember, silence is the real mistake. Next. Every mistake helps me grow. Every mistake makes me stronger. Again. Every mistake helps me grow. One more time. Every mistake helps me grow. Nice. Don't stop. Next. I am building confidence every day. Even if it feels slow, I am improving. Again. I am building confidence every day. One more time. I am building confidence every day. Now say it faster. Don't think. I am building confidence every day. Good. Next. My voice deserves to be heard. My voice matters. Again. My voice deserves to be heard. One more time, with feeling. My voice deserves to be heard. Did you feel that? That's your real voice. Next. I am learning to speak clearly. I speak slowly, but I speak clearly. Again. I am learning to speak clearly. One more time. I am learning to speak clearly. Nice. Next. I trust my ability to improve. Even if I feel unsure, I keep going. Again. I trust my ability to improve. One more time. I trust my ability to improve. Next. I speak slowly and confidently. Slow is not weak. Slow is powerful. Again. I speak slowly and confidently. One more time. I speak slowly and confidently. Next. I am patient with myself. I give myself time, and I keep speaking. Again, I am patient with myself. One more time. I am patient with myself. Good. You are speaking. And listen, this is just the beginning, because next, you will speak in real situations, and this time, you will not go blank. Stay with me. Don't stop now. Wonderful. Learning a language takes time, so be kind to yourself. And listen, if you stop now, you stay stuck, so keep going. Next sentence. I am proud of my effort. Even if it feels small, I am proud. Repeat. I am proud of my effort. Again. I am proud of my effort. One more time. I am proud of my effort. Good. Next. I practice even on busy days. Even when I feel tired, I still show up. Repeat. I practice even on busy days. Again. I practice even on busy days. One more time. I practice even on busy days. Most people stop here, but you don't. Next. I am becoming more comfortable speaking English. Repeat. I am becoming more comfortable speaking English. Again. I am becoming more comfortable speaking English. One more time. Nice. Next. I am not comparing myself to others. I focus on my journey. Repeat. I am not comparing myself to others. Again. One more time. Next. I focus on my own progress. Repeat. Again. One more time. Next. I speak without overthinking. Overthinking stops you. Speaking frees you. Repeat. Again. One more time. Next. I am stronger than my doubts. Repeat. Again. One more time. Next. I speak even when I feel unsure. My voice shakes, but I still speak. Repeat. Again. One more time. Don't stop now. This is where change begins. Next. I am improving step by step. Repeat. Again. One more time. Next. I am building a strong habit. Small steps, big change. Repeat. Again. One more time. Next. I show up for myself every day. Repeat. Again. One more time. Next. I am creating a better future. Repeat. Again. One more time. Next. I believe in my progress. Repeat. Again. One more time. Next. I am becoming a confident speaker. Not perfect, but confident. Repeat. Again. One more time. Next. I am consistent with my practice. Repeat. Again. One more time. Next. I am moving forward every day. Repeat. Again. One more time. Last one. Don't skip. I am proud that I showed up today. Repeat. Again. One more time. Good. That was real. You didn't just watch. You spoke. Most people don't do that. You did. That's why you will improve. Confidence builds slowly, day by day, sentence by sentence. And today, you started. If you stop now, you go back. If you continue, your voice changes. Tomorrow, we go deeper. You will start thinking in English. Comment. Day 1 done. Subscribe to Fluent Core English because every day we speak together. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.